All right. All right. Welcome back. So in our previous video, I already talked about the market trend. Said market trend is when actually market have advance from one point to the other or decline from a point to another point. So we said we have the uptrend, we have the consolidating trend, and we have the declining trend, which is the downtrend. Said an uptrend consists of what? A break of structure to the upside is when price takes out the previous high. Then doubt for the consolidating market is when price doesn't have a specific direction of trend. We have the equal highs and the equal low, and that for the declining market we said it's where price consists of a break of structure to the downside, and this is where price takes out the previous low. Then price retreats to the internal liquidity, or yes, which is where price retreats to the internal liquidity, which is FVG, fair value gap, or other blocks. Then before price retreats to the downside again. This is the break of structure to the downside. So, and I also give a sketch or a pictorial view of chart view of uptrend movement and a downtrend movement. Then for today's video, I'm actually talking about the market structure. I don't want to use the word market structure for this. That's why I use the word market trend or phases of the market. I didn't want to use the word market structure because I'm actually talking about market structure in this video. All right. So for the market structure, we have the swing structure. We have the substructure and the minor structure. Let me give a pictorial view of what I'm actually talking about. This should be, mind you, this is not actually how candle look, but I'll actually show you how to easily spot this pattern or whatever we call on your live chart. It's actually very easy with just a few knowledge for you to get. It's actually easy. So let me just draw the swing structure. Is actually our swing structure. This is our swing structure. So this is the main particular point we'll be actually focusing on if we want to take a trade. This is our swing structure, our main structure. Then this particular I'm drawing, this will become our substructure because it's inside our main structure. So this eventually becomes our substructure. And this substructure does nothing concern this permit me to use this word. Nothing actually concerning with this substructure because you're actually going to be focusing on your main swing structure. I will arrange this thing back again. You actually be focusing on your main swing structure. Let me see if I can. Okay, I'll actually be focusing on your main structure, not this substructure. So price taps into, let me see, still not yet close to that. So price actually tap into our main POI. This is eventually our POI. So price tap into our POI, then tap into our POI. Then the next move after price gets into our POI, this particular point becomes our minor structure. This eventually becomes our minor structure. Let me see if I can arrange this. Oh, there's no need for us not to waste time. So this eventually becomes our minor structure. This is our protected low. This becomes our protected low. This becomes our protected low, and this is our swing. This becomes our protected low. This becomes our protected low. We can call it strong low. The strong low which price won't eventually breaks. So this becomes our protected low. Then this particular one here is our like I said, is our our substructure. This is our substructure. This is actually our substructure. This is our substructure, and this becomes our what? Our minor structure. These are minor structure. Our minor structure is what actually deliver price to your what? To your TP or to your exit what? And exit level, which can be this place or at any time, or maybe 1 to 3 or whatever. So your minor structure is actually when price gets to your what? To your actually when price gets to your PUI level. Let me back this out. I'll talk about MPY subsequently. These are what? This becomes your what? Your structure. This is actually what? Our market what? Structure. It's actually what? Market structure. So in the next video, I'm actually talking about how to validate our structural liquidity and a few other things. So in this video, we're actually done with this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk how to validate and talk about a few things. So in this video, I actually talked about market structure and where we actually want to be focusing on. Like I said, this particular swing is our what? Our swing structure. Okay, let me mark it out. This particular swing here becomes our what? Swing structure. This particular becomes our what? Swing structure. And this actually like I said, this is actually where we're going to be focusing on what? On our trade. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about liquidity and few other things. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case we upload other videos. Thank you.